Hello everyone, this is James from the Coins Alert channel. Hold on tight, this one has been crazy. We broke some records, and today's XRP headline, Hot Jam, is all about highlighting a few of the best parts. Even though this doesn't cover everything, the liquidations are much worse than what was reported last night. I'll explain everything to you if you wait. I've been trading crypto regularly for over 380 days and always end the month with a profit. People who copy my moves have made over $29,000 in profits in just the last 90 days. Want to see my real stats? To copy my trades for free today, click the first link in my personal description. Just now, XRP made history by trading more in 24 hours than it has in all of its more than 12 years of life. Take that in. Plus, it's doing better than most of the market right now, so it's not just living. In my videos over the past few months, I've been talking about a power that is still strong. Even when the whole crypto market crashed for a short time, including XRP, the price has gone back up very quickly. We're talking about huge benefits. Concerned about XRP's long-term prospects? Don't go. Want to know if there will be an alternative season? Breathe. Bitcoin is going to Bitcoin. Things change quickly and without warning, but history tends to repeat itself. This time, if it rhymes, that happy altcoin is likely to blow off the top and make everything go crazy. XRP could reach levels that will melt your face, breaking through price discovery and going further. Just to be clear, I'm not an expert on money. I'm just a crypto fanatic who likes to make movies for fun. Do not follow what I say when you buy or sell. It is now 2:13 p.m. Time on Monday, February 3, 2025. The price of XRP is now $2.70. Remember how quickly it dropped to $1.88 18 hours ago? Yes, those were crazy times. Check out the 24-hour low. In fact, we're already up $1.88 and are still going up. I talked about it in my last movie, and wow, what a ride. Do you love seeing it? To be honest, though, the chaos on social media right now is through the roof. Being scared about crypto is almost like a sport now. Also, yes, this is being compared to the FTX crash or the COVID dump in March 2020, and for good reason. The vibes are the same, maybe even stronger this time. Let us now talk about Bitcoin. Again, above $100,000 because, well, why not? It dropped to 9,229, in 24 hours, and is now at 101,492. Yes, why the hell not? It might as well. Read this post by Ben Zhu, who helped start Bybit and is now its CEO. And as I said in my most recent video, which was released about 12 hours ago, the number of liquidations has just reached a new high. In one market drop, more than $2 billion was lost. Wow. Ben Zhu just dropped a bomb. And if he's right, those numbers are mind-boggling. We are not talking about the previous record of $2 billion in liquidations. That's not even close to it. He said that the real amount of money that was lost could be between $8 billion and $10 billion. Take that in. That's 5 times the old mark. Complete chaos. Completely crazy. Hey, crypto traders, you guys are crazy. This is what the CEO of a big cryptocurrency exchange said. Bybit's 24-hour bankruptcy brought in $2.1 billion all by itself. But hold on. Based on records from CoinGlass, Bybit's liquidations were worth only $333 million. What's going on? Zhu made it clear that the API has limits on how much data can be sent every second, and it looks like other companies are doing the same thing. In the name of openness, Bybit now says it will share all liquidation data going forward. They waited long enough, right? Let's hope other people do the same. If what Zhu says is true, this is even crazier than I thought it would be when I saw last night that over $2 billion had been lost in liquidations. To be honest, the answer might be easy. Don't use force when you play. Don't lose all your money by not using leverage. Really, are the crazy returns on crypto that you get after keeping for a few months not enough? Do you need to add more risk? You guys are living dangerously. I had some thoughts as soon as I saw that XRP hit $1.88. Just so you know, this thought went through my mind, but I didn't buy anything. I would have jumped in right then if I were adding to my bags. In crypto, these times called capitulation events are like huge sales. There are no promises, but most of the time, they're over very quickly. Every expert I follow says that prices could stay the same, but they don't see another big drop happening. Not a single one. It is possible for the unlikely to happen. Investing is what this is all about. There is never a sure thing. But in the past, these bottoms have been short. Check out the charts. It could be XRP, Bitcoin, or something else. I bought the dips at events like FTX and COVID, filling my bags to the brim. But I'm done this time. This drop didn't even make me want to buy because I wasn't buying much before. That's all I have to say about it. I'm now just going to sit back and enjoy the ride. If you bought something during this dip, good job. I hope you got some good deals and that it paid off. There is no way to know for sure when the bottom has hit. I couldn't either, but I can say from experience that these times are gold for those who are brave. It's not always easy to spot signs that the market is about to turn around after a crash. This blog post was written by chart analyst Mustache. To keep the bull market going, Bitcoin is showing just the kind of bounce you want to see. He told everyone about it at 10:16 a.m. today. What did I think about yesterday? The same as before. You could make a lot of money during this bull run if you were able to weather yesterday's drop. Mikey Bull Crypto, a chart expert, joined in at 9:44 a.m. CT. This month alt season might start right after the biggest bankruptcy in history is over. Chances? Pretty high. These thoughts aren't just passing thoughts. I trust that experienced experts agree with these views. It's not a promise. There is never anything. However, everyone agrees that the worst may be over. The charts are still in place and it looks like the bottom is in. Even crypto expert Michael, who works with charts, is positive about XRP. I believe the chances of XRP beating ETH just got better. If you're not interested in XRP already, now might be a good time to start. This year, I'm most sure of holding this altcoin, and for good reason. This year, I have 4 coins that established. One of the experts I follow correctly predicted XRP's breakout in November, even though there had been years of fear and doubt. Now they are doubling down. He thinks that XRP is still the best coin and is about to beat ETH. The best times? Still ahead. Let's talk about numbers. Dom, a chart expert, has been keeping an eye on XRP's crazy ride, and the numbers are wild. At 9:20 p.m., last night, when chaos was at its worst, XRP was up 29% in just 1 hour. Why? The price went back up like a rocket after order books were wiped clean. Let's go back to this morning at 10:38 a.m. In just 14 hours, XRP went up 50%. What did Dom say? What the heck is this market? It didn't end there. PM XRP had gained 55% in just 17 hours by 1:30. Completely crazy. People, this is what it means to be strong. Dom also gave his thoughts on how the craziness worked. The first drop was caused by a huge wave of selling that saw $170 million net sold on big exchanges like Binance and Coinbase. The market wasn't over yet though. Spot buyers stepped in and drove the price of XRP back up. People kept trying to sell, but since the price dropped, $233 million worth of XRP has been bought up on Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, and OCACs. Bitnet was the only big spot market that didn't buy the dip. Today looks like a crazy game of musical chairs or a panic sale where people are rushing to buy back in. Classy. It always works out like this. Sellers go crazy with fear. No, I didn't want it to be that low. At the same time, neither the technology nor the use of these assets have changed. There have been no major changes. The price drops though, and people decide to sell. Then when the price starts going up again, they buy in a hurry. No way it's going up again. It's been going on for as long as markets have existed. Don't follow those other people. I'm not here to tell you what or when to buy or sell. Please do not base your choices on your feelings. Use facts, reasoning, and reason. Aren't we adults now? Well, at least by age. Now, action is a different story. This is an interesting fact. The market was led by XRP and ETH over the last 24 hours. There were 507 million sales in XRP. ETH reached $51,900,000. That's more XRP traded in 24 hours than ever before. Crazy as hell. In a follow-up post, Dom showed 24-hour changes, transactions, and ETH USDT pair numbers to show how dominant ETH was. I'm loving how XRP is finally coming to life. Blockchain supporters shared a post today that showed something very strange. One daily candle went from the bottom to the top of $1. That blows my mind. Plus, XRP hasn't been worth that much for most of the 7 years or more, right? He just put out a new video, which you should watch too. It gives you a lot of information and a clear picture of what happened. Some quick notes. He still wants XRP to go over $10 in this market cycle. He said that $8, $9, $10, or even $11 were possible, but he